Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ree. If you've clicked on this video, that I'm guessing you're wanting some organisation hacks, some nursery inspiration, all while you're nesting at home like I am. So I thought I'd share some of my ideas and some of my little hacks that I've been doing, all on a budget. So let's go. So first off, we've got the baby changing table. So the one that I've used is the IKEA chest of drawers called Hemsey, I think that's how you say it. I will link it down below just so you know which one I'm on about. It's the chest of 3 drawers and it was £150. So we did actually buy on Amazon this changing table top. You can fit it onto the Hemsey, Nordy and Malm IKEA drawers. So this on Amazon was £32.99, which I think was a good investment, sturdy and safe. And it's kind of a money saving hack for the future because it's an investment. You're going to be using these as chest of drawers after she's not using them as a baby changing table. I have put on the side some baskets that I got from Home Bargains. I think these were really cheap, like £3 for the basket. Also, I haven't just got the baskets on the top because obviously that's not going to be enough of storage. I've put in some organisers from IKEA and they're called Scub. And it's a set of 6 which you can spread out in the chest of drawers and they're only £6. I have labelled everything so you can just grab and go when you have a baby lying on your baby changing station, wriggling and rolling. It's going to make life a lot easier in the long run when you can just know where everything is, grab it, and even when you buy new you can just put it in, you know what you're doing. So I didn't go out and buy a fancy label maker. It just seemed a little bit like more of a luxury buy than something that I really needed to buy for the nursery. So I do have a printer, so I just simply typed out what I wanted as labels on Microsoft Word or OneDrive, which is, if you make an account with them, that's a free way of typing out what you need, and then you just print it. And I just sellotaped all of these labels onto where I wanted them. To be honest, you can easily just cut up some pieces of paper, handwrite what you want as the labels, and then just stick them onto the chest of drawers inside. So this is how I fold my baby grows. You obviously don't need to fold them this way, but this is the way that I found worked best for me when I was organising them into the IKEA organisation pots. This is how I fold my sleep suits. And this is how I fold my leggings. Also here is a hanging clothes organiser that I got from IKEA for £8. If you don't want to go out and buy a big expensive furniture, you can just hang these in your wardrobe. And it's just a cheap storage unit, which I think looks pretty nice. And I've labelled each compartment here, as you can see. Just been rolling most of these things up, so like just rolling the swaddles and just putting them in, and I just think it looks really cute. And then we go on to the hanging baby clothes. And I love these little hanger things. They're just so nice and they just make your life so much easier. I got them from Amazon and they were £10.99. They already come with the stickers, so you can create your own labels as you like. Like, how annoying would it be just grabbing all these clothes and they're too small, they're too big. It's great to know which ones you're grabbing, and when baby grows out of them, you can just move them. Also, I did find that I was looking on Amazon and all like the baby hangers were all like, they weren't pricey, but they were obviously like a bit more than what you'd want to spend. I just went on Vinted. People are selling baby hangers on there for like £1 for like 3 packets. Just bought loads of them off Vinted and they've worked perfectly well. So I want to show you our gorgeous little Moses basket. Obviously these blankets will be removed when baby sleeps in there, but this Moses basket is so lovely. So this was originally from John Lewis. Although we didn't buy this from John Lewis, we got off Facebook Market for like the quarter of the price. So all the linen and the attachment has been cleaned with non-bio in the washing machine, but that's just another great money-saving hack, Facebook Market. So if you want some furniture, people are always selling baby stuff because babies grow so quickly. They don't use these things for longer than 6 months and they want them to get rid of them. They don't want them keeping up room in their house. And people usually sell baby stuff really, really cheaply because they just want it gone and they've got so much of it. So Facebook Market is the one if you're trying to save money on big furniture items. So back to the baby's room. Here you can see the framed artwork, which I love these. I think they're so cute. These are just from the range and I can't remember the price of them, but they were really obviously cheap. The range is just known for being cheap. So it's definitely worth it. If you're living in the UK, I recommend you checking out the range for some baby room decorations on a budget. Here you can see the little laundry basket that we've got for our baby. So adorable. Obviously baby's clothes are so small. I'm not gonna lie, I lose my socks all the time. So teeny tiny baby socks have no chance. So I'm gonna separate my baby's laundry with ours. And this was really cute. This was only from Home Bargains, but it looks absolutely adorable. So above you can see the light shades. This was from IKEA and this was only £10. And you basically get it as this like paper on a sheet and you scrumple it up and you can shape it up yourself, and it really creates a cozy magical vibe for the room. And then as you can see behind, we've got drapes. So these are netted polka dot drapes. These are from the range. So we got 3 because obviously we wanted to cover the whole wall, but they were £8 each. And I think it gives the room a great calming aura and looks super cute. Also a great feature wall effect. Like if you're renting like we are, we can't paint or put any wallpaper on the walls, and it just gives it that kind of same effect of like wallpaper. So it just made the room feel a little bit more like just not white walls. Here you can see our camera. So this is a new camera. We got this from Amazon. This camera isn't specifically for babies. You can use it for your pets as well. You can put it anywhere in the house. It's just like a sensor camera which connects to your phone on an app, and it gives you a notification when it senses a movement. And this was only £37.99, which is so much cheaper than other baby monitors. And then last but not least, we have our rocking chair. This is by the make Tutti Bambini. We purchased this from the website called Kiddies Kingdom. This website are always doing discount deals on their furniture, but I'll link it down below. We also did a pay in 3 months deal on this chair as well, as it is a big purchase buying a piece of furniture. But we specifically wanted a cushion fabric chair which had a lot of comfort. Well, but thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope some of these tips were useful. Give me a like or a subscribe if you want some more mother content. If you are nested and you are pregnant, then I wish you all the best with your newborn baby. But thanks for watching, guys.